So hello guys, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we are going to be talking about why you should be using Samsung Wallet instead of your normal UPI apps like Google Pay and PhonePe. And if you are a Samsung user, then you should probably watch this entire video without skipping, because I will tell you amazing hacks that you can use with Samsung Wallet that you cannot even dream of using with normal UPI apps like Google Pay and PhonePe or any other UPI app. So yeah, if you are a Samsung user and if you use Samsung Wallet, or if you want to use Samsung Wallet, then stick around till the end of the video. Now first of all, Samsung Wallet is a application that is provided by Samsung itself, and it is an alternative of UPI application like Google Pay and PhonePe. But it is actually much more than that. It is your entire wallet. It probably can replace your entire wallet, and I'll show you in just a minute. Now to access Samsung Wallet, all you have to do is swipe up from home screen, and there it is. There is your Samsung Wallet. Now alternatively, you can also go into your apps drawer and search for the application, but I think this is the easiest method so far to access an application. Like, all of the documents and all that are just a swipe away. It works even on the lock screen, and yeah, it's pretty amazing. You probably don't even have to unlock your smartphone. You do have to unlock your smartphone, otherwise that would be a security concern. But you don't really need to even turn on the screen with power button like this. You can just pull out your phone from the pocket and swipe up, and it will work flawlessly. And yeah, of course, to access the documents you have to provide PIN or fingerprint. So yeah, there's that. And as you can see, there are multiple cards that you can keep here. Like, I have kept here vehicle certificate, bill, and recharge. This is where, like, you can recharge and stuff your smartphone and all that. So yeah, and there is my Aadhaar card, driving license, PAN card, and this is the UPI, where you can send or receive money, just like any other application. And other than that, this is my, like, SBI card. I probably will hide this. So yeah, this is my, like, debit card. And to use this, you should have NFC on your phone. Otherwise this won't even show up in your like Samsung Wallet. And to access it, all you need to do is give it your fingerprint that you use to unlock your smartphone, and there you go, you can make payments just like that. So yeah, it's pretty great in my opinion, and I use it all the time. Not this one particularly, I mean Samsung Wallet. I use Samsung Wallet all the time to access my documents. And surprisingly, you can also add your vaccination certificate here, that is linked to your DigiLocker. So yeah, I haven't added that. I don't know why, but you sure can. You can add your vaccination certificate as well, and keep it handy whenever you want. And all of these documents are DigiLocker certified. So yeah, if you get in a challan or somewhere where the police asks you for your documents, driving license and stuff, and if you show them this, then it will be perfectly legal and you won't get challaned or something like that. So yeah, there's that. And there are some offers that keep refreshing. Like, you can see here, key and get assured 250 rupees gift card on Amazon when you complete 3 tap and pay transaction. That is like this one. You have to complete this 3 transaction, but I probably don't even use this, and I don't even know where to use this, because most of the machines don't really support that. So yeah, there's that. And you can also add FASTag and vouchers and stuff. And you can also add travel tickets. I already added a train ticket to this wallet, and you can constantly look at the information on the of the train and stuff, like your berth number and stuff. the coach. You don't really have to download any other third party application like IRCTC application and all that. You just have to enter your PNR number and as you can see, the train name, train number and all that stuff. So yeah, there's that. And you can also see the fare, and it constantly keeps refreshing. I think you can keep track of the train as well, and as you can see here, you can keep the track of train from here. It refreshes in the real time. So yeah, there's that. And to add your documents, all you have to do is you tap on that plus button, and there you go. You have many options what you want to add in your Samsung wallet. Like you can see here, UPI account, debit cards, DigiLocker IDs, bills and recharge, FASTag. You can even add FASTags to this Samsung wallet. And obviously train tickets, vouchers and all that stuff, you can use all of them without no problem at all. And one another thing is, like recently I noticed when you like perform a recharge from Google Pay, Phone Pay or any other third party application, they charge you for like 2 rupees for convenience fee and all that. There is no such thing in Samsung wallet. You pay for what recharge you get. You don't have to pay anything extra for anything, like, and you don't have to pay any convenience fee and stuff. Just like good old days, you just tap mobile recharge, and you enter your phone number, you tap which recharge you want, you pay the money, and there we go, your phone is recharged. And there is no crap like convenience fee and stuff. You're just extorting money for no reason at all whatsoever. So yeah, that was a little rant from me. And yeah, there's that. This is much more convenient than the likes of Google Pay or Phone Pay, where you have to unlock your phone, then unlock your Google Pay, then open the scanner, then pay whoever you are paying. Or in Samsung wallet, all you have to do is this: swipe up, then scan QR, enter your fingerprint, and you can pay anyone anything, like you can see here. And it works on all the like scanner, Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm, Bhim, UPI and all that stuff. Just like any other UPI application, it works on everything. There are no issues with that. I use it on like cafes, fueling stations and whatnot, even paying friends and all that stuff. It's pretty easy. It's hassle free. You don't have to pay any convenience fee or anything like that. And all of the documents are right in your pocket, with right in your smartphone as well. So yeah, it's pretty great in my opinion. Now another way to pay someone is, like, all you have to do is double tap your power button. This will open the camera application, where all you have to do is like scan the QR code. It will automatically say pay with Samsung Pay. Just tap on it, it will enter all the information for you. All you have to do is just add the amount, enter the UPI pin, and there you go, the payment has been made. So yeah, it's pretty convenient in my opinion. Like you don't really have to open even your application like Google Pay, Phone Pay and stuff. And that is why I use it on the daily basis, sometimes even like 4 or 5 times a day. And yeah, that is extremely useful. So yeah, that is pretty much all for this video. And if you think Samsung wallet is pretty great, and if you want to try it, then give it a go. I think you'll love it. And on that note, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye now.